Hi fam, welcome to my channel. My name's Tommy, where I talk about all things Web3 related. If you like that kind of content, then please consider subscribing to help me out on my journey. I used to work as an NFT advocate. My channel is just 1 month old and I cover all things crypto, DeFi, NFTs, the metaverse, everything Web3 related. I appreciate every single like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that looks really good and has a bright potential future, which is Cryptoys. Cryptoys is a world built from the ground up to bring a whole new meaning to the word play. Their website, the UX, the UI design looks really clean. Here I am on their homepage. Toys, NFTs, this is the Genesis collection. Gaming, you can stake your NFTs, and entertainment, all sorts of kind of things are going off on this website. They've got big plans for the future with the gaming, and we get basically right at the beginning. We can witness the beginning. So welcome to the Cryptoverse. It is play and earn, accessible to everyone. We believe NFTs will change everything when it comes to gaming, but current play and earn games are expensive, complicated, and require a ton of resources and time to build. With Cryptoys, we are focused on bringing fun, casual gaming and collecting experiences to the blockchain in a cost-effective manner so that everyone can participate. Sounds good to me. And it's On-Chain Studios, which is the company. At the moment, they currently have the Masters of the Universe He-Man drop. It started on November the 9th and it finishes on December the 5th. And you get like a Rubik's Cube, and then you unpack it, and then you get, it's like a blind box, and then you open it and you get whatever you get, like a common, rare, epic or grail. This is the Genesis Collect 'em all set. Really cool, look really nice. Play in an ever-evolving world. So they do have 2 coins. They're not out yet, the Toyken token and the Binary Dust, the BD token. So the Toy token is like a governance token, and then the BD will be the in-game, the Binary Dust is the in-game currency. And then when you unwrap your Cryptoys, you can take them for a walk on the block. So here's the Genesis cat going for a quick jog on the block. And then the power level tiers. So there's 3 different tiers. All the ones at the moment, the Genesis Zoo Animals and the Masters of the Universe, are all hero tiers. So I definitely think it's a good opportunity to pick some of these up right now, because in the future, then when the tiers drop down a bit, they're not going to be as powerful. So they're determined by the statometer. So every hero level is already half full on the statometer. So then if it's a common, it will just be here. Then if it's like a uncommon here, rare, epic, grail, super grail, something like that. Anyway, so getting these hero levels ones definitely should be worth checking out, because they all could be potential grails in the future just by being commons. And then the roadmap, phase 1, Cryptoys is airdrop to early supporters. So you can actually go and get a PFP 8-bit pixel project, which is in OpenSea. But the airdrop to everyone, it's around $180. The origin story trailer has been revealed. The Zoo Animals, the Genesis line of Cryptoys, haven't been dropped. That's these ones. The block gaming, the block's out. And the first Mattel Cryptoys release. Toys are released. They are released right now. The wave 1 is finishing soon. So then phase 2 is like mini games. The Binary Dust token will be coming out. Third-party marketplace and staking functionality. Phase 3, items and accessories launchpad, skill gems, NLP and AI functionality, and companion app. Phase 4, Cryptoys animated new breeds pocket dimensions playset. So pocket dimensions, they're like your parcels of land, or your pocket dimensions in the metaverse, in the universe, in the Cryptoverse, should I say. And here's who they're backed by. They have raised around 23 million, so they have got a lot of money behind them. And it's all built on the Flow blockchain, which is a good choice for this kind of stuff. So currently you can go and buy a Masters of the Universe Wave 1, and they're $40 US. You can pay on your credit card or with crypto. It's live at the minute, and if you buy 1 box and open it, so you've got your wrap toy, you will get another box airdropped on the 5th of December or on the 6th of December, the day after it finishes. So that's an offer worth checking out if you're still here early enough to get that. And then if you buy 5, mint 5 cubes, you will get a golden ticket, which is like a raffle ticket to enter a new drop coming up in the future. So here's wave 1 for the Masters of the Universe. They have He-Man, Battle Cat, Tri-klops and Evil Lyn. So here they are. They've made a really good job of these. They do look incredible. And yeah, I would definitely consider buying some if you haven't. So here's the numbers. There's 3 waves being released. There's 4 hero characters in each wave, 7 rarity skins, 12 hero characters in all, 28 collectible toys in each wave, 84 in total, 10,000 of each character, 120,000. So it seems like a lot, but the numbers will look small if they did get like a lot of people come into this, which is what their end goal is. So wave 1, you've got He-Man, Battle Cat, Tri-klops and Evil Lyn. And here's what they're going to look like. So they'll all be up to, this is a common, Prince Adam. So because it's a hero, it's right in the middle. So this is really cool. Unbox and unwrap your hero. So you don't even have to unbox it if you don't want to. The collector experience begins with our Cryptoy cubes. You can choose to keep them in mint condition or unbox to reveal your blister pack toy. Once you unwrap your toy, your new friend will come to life. So when it's in the box, you can't play with it in the games. Not sure if you can stake it or not though. And at the moment, all you can do is go for a walk on the block. So here's the different rarities for wave 1. Common, all the originals. Uncommon, all the originals. Rare, now they've started to change a little bit. Epic, even more. Pizza, He-Man. And Watermelon Battle Cat. Not sure what's happening with Tri-klops and Evil Lyn. And then Legendary, the goldish style ones. Grails, Ultra Grails, which are one of ones. So if you get one of these, then you're laughing. And they'll be on right up on the stat meter. I do have one cube. I'm going to open it just now. So fingers crossed I get like a Grail. Begin unboxing. Start your experience. Here we go. Some cool graphics. And then here's my cube. By the power of Grayskull, tap and hold crypto cubes to unblock. Tap and hold. By the power of Grayskull, please summon me a common. He-Man. Actually, please summon me a Grail. So excited. You know what I'm saying? So here it comes. Is it gonna come? Here it comes. Tri-klops. Common. That's the one I probably least want, but I don't want to unwrap it. I want to keep it in the wrappage. Pretty good graphics to unbox it in this new Cryptoid details. So here it is. It's halfway up because it's a common, but it's the hero tier. First edition 1983 skin. Number 2746. So it's not really a low mint number. And then you can unwrap it. But I'm going to keep it in the box for now. And that's it. Wow. I will be honest. I really didn't want the Tri-klops. Oh well. It is what it is. I've had the experience of unwrapping it, and hopefully I'll get airdropped another one so I can unwrap it on the 6th of December, and hopefully I'll get a Battle Cat or a He-Man. I do think I'm going to go and buy some more because this looks like a potential blue chip project in the future for sure. That's why I wanted to bring it to everyone's attention and show you this video. Here's the Cryptoys Classics, which are for sale in OpenSea. If you want to go and buy one here, the floor is 0.16 ETH and they're just 8-bit pixels. But if you get one of these, then in the future, you'll get airdropped the toy token and loads of benefits from coming for holding one of these. So I did really want to get one. I'm just waiting to see if some of my NFTs sell because I don't have enough money to buy one, but I will pick one up if I do. If some NFTs sell this weekend, just get a floor one, a floor corgi. So that's the video, everyone. If you like the video, please leave a like on the video. Leave a comment on what you like about the Cryptoys, or if you like He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. Thank you. Bye.